Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Kadeen and here on my channel I share everything nails with you. So I'm doing something a little bit different today. Melody Susie gifted me their sweet scented plant-based gel polishes and I wanted to share them with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing. These polishes are plant-based, HEMA free, HPMA free, and TPO free for safe use. So I went ahead and picked up the pink nude shades from this collection and I've been using them all week for Mother's Day. These bottles are 16.5 ml and you could tell by the weight of the bottles, and they're super pigmented. I've used the white multiple times this week as well as the nude, and you guys know I love me a good nude. I'm not sure if you guys ever notice, but whenever I'm doing my polish application, my gel polish bottle is always in my hand. These polishes are unique and they have a built-in stand to them, so you could tilt them on the table and rest assured that they won't spill. So yesterday I ended up using B26 to complete my client set, and I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. I also posted this photo on my shorts. So yeah, it turned out really nice and they're super pigmented. I did go ahead and use 2 coats and I made sure to apply the polishes very thin. They're thick in viscosity and they are pigmented. You just want to make sure you're applying thin, even coats to help the polish cure through and through. So we're going to go ahead and swatch these polishes and see how they lay. The direct link for these polishes will be in the description bar, and you can use code K to get 12% off your next purchase. And thanks again to Melody Susie for sending me these. So for the first color, we're going to go ahead and swatch B2021. And I ended up using this polish to do some Frenchies that I posted on my YouTube shorts. I did the Frenchies with the 3D cherries on top on her pointer finger and her middle finger, and then we alternate and did her pinky finger and her ring finger. They turned out really nice, and I only had to use 1 coat to create her French. Just look at how well this color lay, guys. And I did make sure I swatch all these colors and test them with curing them for 60 seconds in my lamp, and they did cure through and through. For the next shade, we're going to go ahead and do B2406. I have not used this shade yet, but I'm pretty sure I will be using it soon, and you guys will be seeing it in my next upcoming videos sometime soon. I really love how this one laid as well. They are really pigmented. I was not able to see it through the nail. I was thoroughly impressed. The next one is going to be B2408, and this is a lighter nude, like a more of a half white color. I have a client in mind that would actually love this shade on her tips, and she's usually a neutral girl. She goes with a light base and then a neutral tip. That's all she wears. For the last one that I swatched was B2616, and my client actually walked in on me while I was doing this one because I was recording this video in between clients, and she chose this color to put on her toes, and she did white Frenchies for her nails for Mother's Day. So if you guys are looking for some HEMA free, HPMA free, and TPO free polishes, definitely give Melody Susie plant-based polishes a try. All the shades, and these are colors that my clients will actually love as well. So I'm excited to give it a try this week. When my clients come in, I'll be having it on display so they could choose from any of these 6 colors that Melody Susie sent over to me. And I just want to thank Melody Susie for reaching out to me and gifting me these polishes. I'm excited to give them a try. And yeah, I will link the direct link to these polishes in my description bar. And until my next one, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.